Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator on iPad for a clothing brand. First, ensure you have the app installed and your iPad meets the system requirements. Take a moment to explore the intuitive touch interface. It's designed for creative flow. When starting a new project, set up your artboard with precise dimensions, perhaps 2000 by 2000 pixels for a standard graphic, ensuring your designs are production-ready from the outset. This foundational step is crucial for quality. Now, let's dive into creating your first design. The pen tool is your best friend for crafting sharp, scalable vector shapes, perfect for logos that need to look crisp at any size. Don't shy away from the pencil and brush tools. They offer fantastic ways to add organic, hand-drawn elements and unique textures to your apparel. Remember to use layers diligently. It keeps your artwork organized and makes revisions incredibly simple, saving you valuable time. To elevate your brand, leverage Illustrator's advanced features. Maintain a strong brand identity by consistently applying your chosen color palettes using the color panel and swatches. The Type tool allows you to integrate custom fonts, crafting powerful text-based designs that resonate with your audience. For all-over prints or unique fabric textures, the innovative Repeat feature can quickly generate complex patterns, transforming a simple element into a captivating design across your garment. Finally, let's prepare your designs for production. Export your artwork in suitable formats. SVG is excellent for scalable vector graphics, while high-resolution PNGs are perfect for digital mockups. Always use clear naming conventions and organize your files meticulously for your manufacturers, ensuring a smooth handover. For designs that go to the edge, remember to add a 1/8-inch bleed, preventing any unwanted white space during the printing process. This attention to detail ensures professional results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.